Hey, how you doing, YouTubers? Specifically today, we'll be covering the topic of how to overcome your fear of doing your first YouTube video and posting it. So that's what this is about. I'm going to be dropping some nuggets, about 3 of them, that it's a progression of it going forward. So you want to stay for the whole video, and towards the end, I'll provide a treat in there. And hey, that's it. Let's go ahead and get into it, and here we go. So just like I said, your first YouTube video, how to overcome your fear of it. And this is pretty much how I did it too as well. The first thing is that you must address your mental barrier. This is huge, because as a financial coach, one of the main things that they wanted me to do is that they told me is that you have to address the mental barrier, because if you do not, no matter what budget or plan that you set up, people will not follow through. Their behaviors will not follow through in regards to it. And so this is a great question in order to ask yourself. What do you feel is the number one reason that is holding you back from doing it? And that is very specific, but you also can go broad with that question too as well by saying, what do you feel is holding you back from doing it? And that gives you more than just one answer, and that'll help you out in a major way. The next one is you have to do less thinking and more doing. And hey, I'm very bad at this because I'm a very analytical person. I'm an analysis paralysis person. So I can think my way out of anything. So, and a lot of entrepreneurship is just this. You need to be less thinking and more doing. There is going to be some times where you need to do the opposite, but you'll know when that time generally is. Another good quote to go along with the same thing is to start before you're ready, and also start before you're ready, and also, what is it, less is more? No, that's a different video. No, but serious, I'll think of it probably later. But yeah, that's what I would say, and this progresses into the last one, which is you must practice. I know that sounds self-explanatory. You know what I'm saying? Like practice. Do I really need to practice? Yes, Allen Iverson. But one of the greats said this. Michael Jordan said, work ethic eliminates fear, and that is the beauty of practice. And so, in Michael Jordan's career, I won't talk about that, but when he initially started and he would be given the game-winning throw in order to go ahead and shoot, his shot at the very end, he would miss it. But what he would do in order to get better is that in the off season, and also, during times where he wasn't playing, he was practicing that last shot, the pressure of it, and just the crowd being there, and over and over and over again, he would do just that. And so, so that when it did come to those game-winning shots, and it was given to him at the last minute, he could make it regardless of the pressure. And so that's what I would say in regards to that. Was the same thing that I would do, in regards to this, is that when I started, it was very weird for me, and I started back in May of 2018. I started making videos for a different channel, and so it's all a part of the process. And so I wasn't this good on camera and all that stuff, but you got to start somewhere. And so I am going to show you unseen footage by anybody else that I've never shared with anybody else, on this about my first videos. And so go ahead and check that out. And when you get back, we'll go ahead and address my call to action for you. All right, take care. I'll see you in a second. Hello, my name is Artiz Strouds, and I'm the founder of Separate. Today we'll be going over Philip Casper's. Hello, my name is Artiz Strouds, and I'm the founder of Shepherd Effect. Our mission is to equip fathers to reflect the Good Shepherd. Hello, my name is Artiz Strouds. I am the founder of Our mission is to equip fathers to reflect the Good Shepherd. Our mission is to help to equip. Dang it. Hello, my name is Artiz Strouds, and I'm a Hello, I am the founder of Shepherd Effect. Hello, my name is Artiz. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching that. You probably even cringed a little bit like I was doing for sharing it with you. But yeah, you see there was a lot of ums and ums, and it was very weird for me to look into the camera from my phone, you know. And so that's the same thing that I would say with you. Is my call to action to you would be, go ahead, pick up your phone and go ahead and shoot your video on your whatever type of phone that you have. But ask yourself that question first. What is it that's holding you back from making the videos? Okay, that's number one. And then just don't think about it and do it. And then practice, practice, practice. Nobody's going to see the videos that you make, that you bomb on, that you do funny stuff on. It's okay. You know what I'm saying? I just share this with you so that I could be transparent with you, that I have not always been where I've been right now. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Oh, yeah. Once you do that, please share it with me below. I would like to see your YouTube video, your first one, you know, and I'd be encouraged, and I'll comment on it too as well, you know, because we all have those first beginnings. Okay. So, hey, this is Artiz Strouds. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I hope the stuff that I provide to you benefits you in your journey as an entrepreneur and beyond. So with that said, hey, thank you. And hey, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. Subscribe to the channel. It's been a blessing to see you. And you guys have a good day.